Hello!
Kidding guys! Today we have a special video where we eat Japanese food slash snacks. And we are here with Benedict, our nice dancing guy. And then Julius from his channel, Rodensi. And we will have two parts, one on my channel and one on his channel, so go check him out. Let's start with what should we start? With these ones, said Benedict here. I've never tried this, so like peanuts and something, so let's eat. Let's have just one pack and then
Nein.
why not?
Weil ich auch essen will, ich hab Hunger.
Guck mal, jeder nimmt sein Essen mit.
No. So, take,
Was ist das?
I don't know.
Warte,
Das ist alles für die Tafel.
Yeah. Take, well, wait for me, mate. Take one of these as well.
Ist das Fisch oder?
Okay.
Take one of these as well, god damn it.
Ja, Fisch. Oh, geil.
And then 1, 2, 3.
Kann ich weiß gleichzeitig.
Die Page ist geil. Also so von...
A little bit spicy with a little peanut here. Salt. Quite nice.
Machen wir mit Punkten, also
Mhm.
Punkte.
One out. I give them 7 out of 10. You?
Ich 6.
6 out of 10. You?
3 or 5.
3 or 5? What?
Ja.
3
Yes.
or 5.
Wir geben ein bisschen Fickel. Wie mein.
So how many points do we give them? How many points? 3?
3 or 5.
3 or 5?
3 or 5.
So 3 3 out of 5. Oh. Okay. Let's put them to the side. So what's this? Tomato breads. I think they're just sticks with salt and tomato.
Ne.
I think I've tried them, so let's open the pack. And they look just like this. Let's have one. Wait for Julius and me.
I take 2.
I think so. So wait, god fucking damn it, we have to start at 1. So 1, 2, 3. Ganz no. Fuck me.
Ey, das ist ganz normal. Ich bin so süßer.
That's what happens if you live in Germany and want to speak English. What the fuck? So, just like some normal pizza sticks.
Pizza Sticks, also.
Shut the fuck up. 7 out of 10 as well. You?
2.
5 out of 10. 2 out of 10.
7. Nice.
7 out of 10. Okie dokie. We have another bread ones. It's already open because who knows? So these are olive ones. Cool. They look a little bit bigger and strange. Let's have it. 1, 2. Fuck you!
Tomatoes better.
Yeah, the tomatoes one.
Yeah.
So
Much better.
Das ist mit Kacke, ey.
Not so good as the other ones, but 4 out of 10.
2.
2 out of 10.
Oh. Let's continue on. Mark off. Choose the
switch.
Nee,
Okay.
Ketchup with cheese.
Let's see. It's understood. Kit Kat!
I don't
With
care.
green tea.
Green tea Kit Kat. Nice. I never had them. So this time we will start at the same time.
That's more.
1 pack each. No. no, fucking
Die
Benedict.
sind so klein.
And they have here a
Oh.
memo where you can write something. What the? Yes.
Delete.
So let's start.
Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Schon scheiße. Wir haben noch gar nichts.
Oh my god.
Das wird scheiße.
Oh my god, I love them.
Dumm.
Green tea, you son of a bee.
Nein, Sportcomic.
Wir haben noch gar nichts.
Oh my god. These are so good.
Einfach Maul und Scheiße.
I love them. Wasabi
Wow.
tastes spicy.
One point. Wow.
10 out of 10. You?
One.
Fuck you.
3 out.
3 out of 10. Choose Venom. Another bread, son of a bitch. How many breads do we have? Butter breads. Should we skip them? Let's see.
Give it to me.
No. First of all, Benedict, because you will start as well. 1, 2, 3. Buttery, without salt,
Es schmeckt immer nach Butter, ey. Was ist
nothing at all. No
Kannst du auch
taste.
Papier fressen. So. Genau.
Just like another Kit Kat with the butter.
Wow, wie kannst du das essen?
echt? Es schmeckt übel nach
Fuck you!
Pflanzen.
No! These are so fucking
Warte,
lecker.
Pflanzen. Okay.
Wait of all. What? I give them 3 out of 10. You?
One.
Oh.
Die waren einfach nur scheiße. One.
Okay. Next up, hockey. Not breads, hockey. Then I did you open them? Did you fucking open them? With strawberry, and they have a little form thingy on the top, a heart form.
Oh.
So these are for
Oh, we got it.
Oh, they smell so fucking
nice.
good.
Alter, das sind Mikados.
Es sind alles
Yeah.
so.
Wait.
Nein.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Just as I thought, because I already had them beforehand. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 8.
Ja.
10 out of 10.
Nein. 10 out of 8.
Ah, so they are much better than 10 out of 10.
Alter, definitiv.
So the last thing we have here,
From my grandma.
I never eat them. I never ate them. I wanted to see if you can speak English or not. So what are these?
Tea biscuits.
Tea biscuits?
Yes. Okay, you have tea.
Because they come from Japan, mate. Don't destroy them.
Try it.
Let's
Hello.
see. Wait. Let's make one without bread.
Alter, das ist,
And let's eat them here, okay? Because they have a
Ich hab
little
so
snack.
Oh, die sehen geil aus.
Ich hab so ein Gefühl, dass die richtig geil sind.
Wait, you son. Wait.
Reingelassen.
Weil die riechen auch scheiße.
1, 2,
They smell.
1, 2, 3, lecker.
Wow.
Reis ist irgendwas.
Was mit Reis?
Rice snacks.
I like it.
I love them. the stand up so often, no?
Mo.
Iya, iya gratis kayak gitu tuh. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see the other part, check out Rodensis channel and check out the video where Benedict dances just like a Benedict thing. Bye.